I was born in Tibet and I now live in Australia. In Tibet, I spent for 3 years in jail as a political prisoner. Those years in prison were a difficult time. I'm happy to be living in a free, democratic, and a beautiful country such as Australia. Working in nursing home, looking after elderly is one of the most rewarding jobs. I really enjoy working with the elders.
This is Radio Free Asia. The following program is in Tibetan.
I also work as a freelance Tibetan journalist for the Radio Free Asia based in Washington DC. There is no independent media or journalist in Tibet. The role of overseas Tibetan journalists is very important in getting news to Tibetans in Tibet and all around the world. My name is Norbu Damdul and I wish freedom for everyone.